But on 1st of January in Agra, 6 people went to Bank of India. They put a gun on the branch manager's head, took away the recorder, took away 27 lakh of rupees and gave him a Happy New Year card. So वहां पर भी कैमरा थे. जब उनके पास रिकॉर्डर ही चला गया तो वो कैमरा किस काम के? पठानकोट अटैक, द टेरर मूवमेंट, जहां से टेरर मूवमेंट हुआ था वहां पर 11 पेट्रोल पंप पे कैमरा थे. और यू विल ऑल अग्री विथ मी कि ऐसा बड़ा हादसा कोई रेकी के बिना नहीं हो सकता. The enemy's army must have been involved, the ISR must have been involved, they must have come and dropped so much ammunition, equipment. This must have gone over for months. 11 petrol pumps, all 11 having cameras. In some cases cameras were not working, and in all cases nobody realized anything. How come? I'm in Delhi, I must speak about Mrs. Smriti Irani's case. The camera was not at fault. I'm sure all of you know about this case which happened in a store in Goa, where the camera's position was changed. Just the position was changed. The camera was not at fault. The position was not at fault. The lens was changed to, instead of looking here, it was looking in the changing room. It is when Mrs. Smriti Irani observed that this is going on, and you will be shocked that this was going on for 1 year. And who has been running between Delhi and Goa? The MD of the company. My question again is कि अगर 1 साल तक पता नहीं चल रहा कि कैमरा क्या देख रहा है तो वो कैमरा किस काम का? कॉर्पोरेट एस्पियोनाज केस, PSU की बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर. पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री में ये हादसा हुआ है दिल्ली में. वहाँ पर CCTV रूम लगा था. Delhi police finally came and said, finally came to a conclusion and said that the man was, or the people there were bribed. So what happened was, when these guys went to photocopy the secrets, the cameras were put off and nobody knew. This went on for 1 month. So again, my point is, cameras by themselves are not enough. Very important part of surveillance, but by themselves, cameras will not function and not give you the outcomes that you should get from video surveillance. In Delhi, somebody mentioned, somebody here from PWD, in Delhi there was a school kid, poor school kid who died in the water tank. And when there was an inquiry, the initial inquiry, the school said, अरे लड़का बहुत चंचल था, बहुत भाग रहा था, इधर उधर जा रहा था. So my question is, the school had so many cameras, how come you never observed this? You had 40, 50, 60 cameras, किसी को पता नहीं चला? School kid raped by van driver happened in Bombay, and there have been so many cases in schools in Bangalore. So many of them. A police commissioner lost his job in Bangalore. All schools were covered by cameras. Whether they're IP analog, it doesn't matter. What matter is, are we seeing what the cameras have seen? कैमरा तो अपना 24/7 by 365 अपना काम करता है. उसने जो देखा वो हमने देखा, वो नहीं देखा, क्योंकि किसी ने ऑडिटिंग और CCTV के बारे में सोचा ही नहीं. Thousands and thousands of cameras are going to come to Delhi. कौन देखेगा? कैसे देखोगे? City surveillance. कोई कहता है बॉम्बे में when they put up 6,000 cameras in Bombay, it took them 8 years. 6,000 cameras, 8 years. My question to you is, are 6,000 cameras enough for a city like Bombay? Of course not. But you probably already have about 5-6 lakh cameras or 10 lakh cameras in Bombay. Where every establishment has cameras. उसको क्यों नहीं use करते आप? Not by combining those video feeds. वो नहीं चलेगा. Decentralize कर दो. At every place where there are cameras, there must be auditing. Because you must remember one thing, that there is something called situational awareness. मैं अगर आपके ऑफिस का कैमरा मेरे यहाँ बैठ के देखूं, या आपके घर का वीडियो फीड मैं देखूं, तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपके घर में क्या सही है और क्या गलत है, या आपकी दुकान में क्या सही है और क्या गलत है? वो आप ही को पता चलेगा. That is called situational awareness. You start doing that and start seeing the benefits of the cameras. Cameras have so much rich information. All that is being wasted because we are not looking. So moral of the story, CCTV by itself is not enough. और सिर्फ 3 चीज आपको करनी है सेम कैमरास में. हमारे दोस्त Vantage का बहुत अच्छा कैमरास बनाते हैं. So whether it is Vantage camera, whether it is Sony camera, whether it is a Panasonic camera, whether it's an Indian camera, whether it's a feed coming from the drone, it doesn't matter. All I am saying is, first thing that you need to do is start auditing. Auditing by itself is a post facto process. होने के बाद का ही प्रोसेस है. जैसे हम हमारे बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स ऑडिट करते हैं, जैसे हमारे बिजनेस प्रोसेस ऑडिट करते हैं. हमारे देश में कितने स्कैम्स पकड़े गए? ऑडिटिंग में ही पकड़े गए ना. भले 1 साल के बाद, भले 2 साल के बाद, मगर ऑडिट में पकड़े गए. उसी तरह से जो वीडियो एनालिटिक्स नहीं पकड़ पाएगा वो ह्यूमन एनालिटिक्स पकड़ लेगा. आपका दिमाग और आपकी आंखें. एक स्मार्ट बैकअप करिए. स्मार्ट बैकअप, नॉट जस्ट बैकअप, स्मार्ट बैकअप, ताकि ये चिंता आपको ना रहे कि मेरा वीडियो कभी ओवरराइट हो जाएगा. आपको 10 साल के बाद चाहिए, मिल जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इट शुड बी अ स्मार्ट बैकअप. एंड यू शुड रिपोर्ट इंसिडेंट्स इन अ स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड फॉर्मेट, इन अ for example in PowerPoint, so that incidents can be solved quickly. So why doesn't anybody audit video? Simple reason, is very cumbersome. 24 घंटे का वीडियो आप ऑडिट कैसे करोगे? मगर वही 24 घंटे का वीडियो अगर 24 मिनट में ऑडिट हो जाए तो करोगे. क्यों नहीं करोगे? जरूर करोगे. आपकी जगह है, आपको फायदा हो रहा है, ऑडिटिंग में से कुछ चीजें निकल रही है, बाहर आके दिख रही है, तो जरूर करोगे. किसी ने इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं. Nobody thought about auditing video. That is why nobody audits video. And I am saying, रोज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. करो. This best thing is to do it every day. Do it once in 2 days, once in a week. मगर देखो तो सही, तो पता चलेगा. कितनी बातें पता चलेगी. Why now? Why is it important now? We are living in dangerous times. After the Peshawar attack, the Pakistan army, when the school opened, the Pakistan army was sent to guard it. After the Paris attacks, 10,000 policemen were sent to guard 700 Jewish schools. How long will this go on? The question is, we all have to become stakeholders, and if each one of us starts auditing, if we have got cameras, start auditing, you will start contributing to something called as community policing. उस तरह से क्राइम कम हो जाएगा. So solution क्या है? What are we? We are a software. We work as a video, as a layer on any video feed. Just put us on a PC, bring the video feed to your PC, and the software will start doing everything that I have said. What are the 3 outcomes that you should get from video surveillance? I have 3 more minutes. What are the outcomes that you should get from video surveillance? Number 1, crime and loss prevention होना चाहिए. Number 2, आपके प्रोसेस इंप्रूव होने चाहिए. अगर आपके प्रोसेस इंप्रूव हो जाएंगे तो सेल्स अपने आप इंप्रूव हो जाएंगे. एंड नंबर 3, अगर क्राइम होता है तो जल्दी से सॉल्व होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि जब क्राइम हुआ तो पता चला साहब हमारा तो रिकॉर्डर चोरी करके चला गया, साहब हमारा तो कैमरा इतने दिन से नहीं चल रहा है, साहब हमको इसमें से रिकॉर्डर में से वीडियो निकालना नहीं आता है. All that is gone. These are not the days to do all that. There is technology, simple technology that's available that can help you. Can't a normal DVR or NVR do this? I'm saying no, it can't. Come and see what I mean. Do we work with every camera? Analog, IP? Yes. We are a software. All we need is a video feed. That's it. And we will work. 2 more slides. And I'm saying देखो दुनिया स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन किसी चीज में नहीं लाती है. आप सिर्फ गूगल कीजिए सीसीटीवी साइनेज, आपको 500 साइन मिल जाएगी. फिर भी क्राइम हो रहा है ना, इतनी सारी साइंस है फिर भी क्राइम हो रहा है. तो क्यों ना हम लोग एक स्टैंडर्डाइज साइनेज दुनिया का बना दे. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दैट यू आर अंडर सीसीटीवी सर्वेलेंस, व्हाई डोंट यू से दैट वी चेक सीसीटीवी एवरी डे. हम यहां सीसीटीवी रोज चेक करते हैं. और ये सोचिए कि अगर हर जगह में एक ही कलर का, एक ही साइज का, एक ही भाषा का ये एक स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज हो तो जो क्राइम क्रिमिनल करने वाला है वो ये दुकान छोड़ के दूसरी दुकान में जाएगा, यहां पर भी वही देखेगा, तीसरी में जाएगा वहां पर भी वही देखेगा, फिर थक के कहेगा अब ये धंधे में पैसा नहीं है, धंधा चेंज करो, क्राइम में पैसा नहीं रहा। बहुत पावरफुल मैसेज है ये। ओके, my friends at Vantage said that they do a lot of work with the religious institutions, so I'll take it one step further and I'll ask for your help. We know that what we have created is something very unique, and we believe that God has selected us to create this product, and therefore we want to give it back. So I'm making an offer to all of you. If any of you know of any religious place, we will offer our technology for free. At any place in the world, we will give our technology for free. So please, this is a common, we don't get any money out of it. We get lots of blessings from God. So that's enough for us. So please, let's work together, because this is a proudly made in India technology. We have built it in Bombay over the past 4 years, and we have just commercially launched. I won't go into the police, I won't go into this. So conclusion, act now, don't wait for things to go wrong. Thank you very much.